Hey guys, thanks for coming back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. My name's Renee. Today I am going to be sharing my 2019 goals with you guys, and I'm really excited about all these because I think 2019 is going to be a great year and I have a lot going on, so I'm just really looking forward to seeing what the year brings. And as everyone says, it's a new year and it's a fresh start, so that's always exciting as well. So I have my little list here of my goals written down and I'm going to be sharing them with you. So let's just get started. Okay, number one on my list, as it is on most people's, I would say, is to focus on my health. And I already work out every day, so it's not that my goal is to start working out every day because I am already doing that, but I really want to start increasing the amount of cardio that I do. And I would also start to like to add in more strength training and weight training and just kind of mixing it up. I always do the exact same thing and I've just gotten comfortable with that, and you know, you don't really make any progress if you keep doing the same thing. So I'm really hoping to add in some new exercises and a couple different things to just kind of mix it up and improve my fitness a lot. So that is a huge goal for me this year. And going along with focusing on my health, I do want to start focusing on what I'm putting into my body as well. So I don't know, like a lot of other people I would guess, usually focus on like the same, I'd say 5 to 10 recipes for dinner every week. This year I would like to try to open my options a little bit and come up with some new things and try some new recipes, just because it kind of gets boring having the same 5 to 10 dinners every few weeks. So that is a big goal of mine, is to learn a couple new recipes and implement them into my weekly dinners. So I would really like to do that. And I think in order to do that, that goes along with my other goal of starting those different recipes and meal options, is I want to start being better about planning out my dinners ahead of time. On Sundays I'll sit down and I'll plan out what dinners I'm going to have for the week, but a lot of Sundays I just kind of forget to do it, or I don't feel like doing it, but I really want to make it a priority so that when I get out of work at night, I don't come home and say, oh, what should I have for dinner, and then just like not end up making anything or just having cereal or something like that. So I definitely want to get better about that. So number 2 is to minimize and declutter. So I just have so much stuff, whether it be clothes or other things, that I have more than I need. So I just need to go through everything and start getting rid of the stuff that I don't use or I don't need, and either donate it or pass it on to somebody else, because I have more than enough and I really want to just start focusing on only having the stuff I need and not so many extra things. You will be seeing videos of me decluttering and getting rid of a lot of my stuff because I don't need as much as I have, and I'm one of those people that just has a hard time of letting go of some of my clothing, or you know, just different things that I've gotten, you know, through the years that I don't necessarily need. So decluttering and minimizing the things that I have is a big goal for me in 2019. So goal number 3 is I want to start reading again. I used to read a lot and I don't know what happened, but just this last year I really have gotten away from it and I haven't been reading as much, and I love to read. So I actually have 3 or 4 books by my bed right now that are just sitting there that I haven't read. One of them I actually got last year for Christmas and is still, I actually started it and it's about halfway done, but I still have half the book to read and it's from last year. So I need to finish that book and I need to get on with my next book. So I want to make a priority to get reading again, and my goal with that is to try and read 1 book a month. My 4th goal for the year is to travel. So I love traveling, and I haven't really talked about it, but over this last year I was actually in Europe for over a month. I lived out there for almost 5 weeks. I was in Germany and Italy, so that was amazing and I had so much fun, and I really hope to travel more in this new year, whether it be to like a state that I've never been to. I've actually never been to Tennessee and I really want to go there. I love the mountains, and I would like to check out Nashville and just other areas of Tennessee. So that is one of my goals, is to check out a few places I haven't been and to go out of the country again. So I don't know, I love everything about traveling. I love the weather, being outside, the culture, you know, just the different people, everything about it. Traveling is just something that I really enjoy, and I really want to do more of it in 2019. So I'm super excited about that. And my last goal, number 5, is to grow my YouTube channel. I am so excited to be doing YouTube videos. I've been having so much fun with it, and I really want to just keep going and keep improving with it and do the best that I can with it. And specifically the things that I want to work on are my editing skills. I'm just starting out and I'm just learning how to edit my videos, so I really want to keep improving with that. And I am already uploading twice a week, but I want to make that a set goal that I upload every week, twice a week, even more if possible, but I'm definitely going to try and upload at least twice a week. That's my main goal. And finally, I would love, love, love to have 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. That is my ultimate goal. I just am really enjoying it, and I want to set big goals for myself. Not too big, obviously, but I really want to have an actual plan in place and work towards it. So I would love to have 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And thanks to you guys, I really think that I'm going to be able to make that happen, and I'm so happy about it. It's been really fun for me. So yeah, so those are my 5 goals for the year. I really hope you enjoyed hearing about them. And I've been loving watching your guys' videos about your goals. I know a lot of my goals are probably similar to yours, so these are always really fun to watch. And I think they're really inspiring because obviously you don't need a new year to, reassess your goals and, try to improve yourself. We should always be trying to do that, but when you start with the new year, it does bring on the idea and the hopes to, start fresh and do something exciting. And I'm really excited about everything that is going to happen in this new year, so I really hope everyone else is too. That's my video for today, so thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys later. Bye!